Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the opera box at all times. And please watch your children. Welcome, fellow ushers. Remember, all the words are Spanish.
Why is mine so dim?
Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime.
This ride's 10 minutes?
Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime.
Please pop out, please pop out.
The audience is gathering and waiting for the show to begin.
Oh, Maestro.
Jump scare!
Let's go backstage where the cast is rehearsing. Oh, he is the maestro. It's the first ushers. We need your help. And then take long. Join your flashlights and send them back into the pipeline. Ushers, we need your help. And then take long. It's Ghost Note Madness. They're everywhere.
He's already been milked. Oh, that's cool. He's inside. Oh, yeah, there he is. That's Easter Bunny. Mom, look at my score. I like how our brains do that. The portion yeah. Press their
Those ghost notes gotta go. Hey, we need some light in here. These lights flying at them. Go away, ghost notes.
Well, that didn't work, and the show starts in 1 minute.
My finger's getting tired. Oh my gosh! They did it! They replaced it! Whoa, look at this guy.
Most notes are gone, but you'll be back. You'll be back. You'll be back.
Dad, there's one survivor. Ours?
I don't know, it kind of seemed like they needed it to be like that so it would turn the right way at the right time.